Come here. I gotta tell you a secret. I have a secret to tell you. I ate all your Halloween candy. Me and Mommy ate it yesterday. What? Are you okay? I ate all your Halloween candy. No? Did you pass out or something? They say when babies pass out, you rub their feet underneath. Do you forgive me? Huh? I can see up your nose. You're faking. You okay? Okay, whatever. Well, I ate it all, okay? There's no more Halloween candy.
You're gonna get fat.
What?
You're gonna get fat.
Whatever. I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Whatever.
Yes, you are gonna get fat so you can eat all the candy.